Welcome back. We are going to make a video from these two Yamahas, the RD350 YPVS 1987, completely restored, engine rebuilt, new pistons, everything done. The same. Yeah, maybe you saw the other video. This one is not for sale. This one is. But if you're interested in looking for an RD500, maybe we can help. Okay, let's start it up. Bike is very fast and it's really fun riding this one. Whoa! If you like two-stroke, this is a very cool bike. Reliable, braking is okay. Fun bike. When you ride a RD350, it's fun every time.